Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Gemini for study help. So let's get straight into the video. So in any algorithm or in any LLM, what you want to do is feed it as much information as you can. So the first thing you want to do is open your Gemini, click on the plus icon and click on upload files. This is where you want to go ahead and upload as much of the documents that you have about your notes and so on right over here. Now, when you go ahead and do so, you can simply go ahead and ask it any kind of questions from these notes. So for example, what I can say is, I am studying for my viva and I want you to understand everything about this report and help me explain it in basic terminology. If I simply go ahead and write something like that, it is going to give me one of the most complex documents that I have. So let me just go ahead and show you the PDF I have. So if there's no vision there, I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you right over here. So for example, this was the report, right, which has a bunch of different information about learning logs, about company and how it performs, and many, many more. And now it has explained it to me in such a way, like simple language. So this is a solid, well-structured career development learning portfolio documentation of 6-month internship as a video editor and content creator, and this and that. And here is everything explained in easiest terms. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.